Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the extension we developed for sending bulk messages on WhatsApp. Don't worry, it's extremely easy to use. First, install the extension by clicking Add to Chrome. Then, pin the extension from the top right corner of your browser. Next, go to web.whatsapp.com and log in. The installation is now complete, and we're ready to start using it. Now, let's quickly sign up using our Gmail account. The whole process takes just 3 seconds. After logging in, the main interface will appear. From here, you can select the phone numbers you want to message, enter your message, and set the sending schedule. First, let's start with the phone number field. Here, you can enter the country code and add your phone numbers. Don't forget, you must add a comma after each number. You can see detailed instructions by clicking the usage button. If you want to address people by name in your message, for example, hello, Yassine, you need to add a colon symbol next to the phone number and write the name after it. You can upload your phone numbers in bulk using the upload section. You can download and review the file format by clicking Download Example. The name field is optional and not required. When you upload the numbers, they will be imported and displayed like this. Next, click the Validate button to detect numbers that don't have WhatsApp. This way, the system will automatically remove unnecessary numbers, helping you avoid wasting time. Now let's move on to the message template section. After entering your message template, you can instantly test it by clicking the Test button. Just a reminder, the test message is sent only to us, not to the numbers you entered. Here as well, you can click the Usage button to see detailed instructions on how to use this section. Let's do a quick example here. I'm going to send the message with a name this time, but using a name is completely optional. You can also send messages without it. After entering the template, click the Start button and the sending process will begin. And the sending process is complete. I sent the message to 2 people as a quick example, but you can send it to as many contacts as you want. You can check all the details of this process in the Reports section. And the sending process is complete. I sent the message to 2 people as a quick example, but you can send it to as many contacts as you want. You can check all the details of this process in the Reports section. That's how the extension works.